As many of the major cruise lines have recently announced plans to start sailing once again from the United States, or already doing so, you may have heard the term e-muster, and you might be wondering what that means. Hi, my name is Zach from Adventures in Coriolis, and I'm here today to show you what that process entails, having recently gone through it myself on Royal Caribbean's Adventure of the Seas. Many of the cruise lines, including Carnival Cruise Lines and Royal Caribbean, have announced that they will be using their already existing apps in order to conduct the e-muster drill. On the Royal Caribbean app, there is already an icon in the lower left that is accessible on the day of your sailing. You can click that tab, the safety tab, and the safety information screen will come up. Here it shows you where my muster station is. It's on deck 4, D17. You can actually go to find on deck and it'll show you exactly where that's at. So we'll go find that in just a minute. But before it will tell you that that's the last step, you actually have to go to step 1 and click here and watch the entire video. Like, it makes you watch all of it.
A whistle and a water-activated light, which are used to attract attention. The instructions for donning a life jacket. And
then at the end there is a certification. You have to select a box and say that you did watch it. I already watched it, so I'm good, y'all. I know how to put my life jacket on. The emergency horn. And then number 3, visit assembly station. So I'm gonna take you all with me. We're gonna go find my muster station, and then we're gonna be completely finished with muster drill, and that's gonna be just amazing. Okay, so that's it. Now I'm done. I literally just went there. There were a couple folks there, so a couple of crew members, and they actually just walked me through the safety procedures and what to do in the event of an emergency. And I said, okay. They put a sticker on my card denoting that I had completed muster drill. It's like getting your diploma at high school graduation, right? So I'm good. So it's time to go enjoy the cruise now. I found the entire process to be very quick, painless, and much more efficient than the former muster drill, where you were to stand tightly packed on the deck, hot, on embarkation day with all your fellow cruisers, and listened on and on and on to safety instructions. And sometimes you spend a lot of time there waiting for folks who hadn't yet arrived to the muster station. Now the cruise is still watching who is and who is not completing the e-muster, so don't think you can not do it and get away with it. In fact, this was the warning issued on my Adventure of the Seas sailing.
Currently, we are still showing some of our guests who still need to complete the mandatory safety briefing. Remember, it is quick and easy. Unfortunately, though, we cannot allow anyone who has not completed it to sail with us today. So please take care of this as soon as possible.
I hope you found this video informative. I invite you to please subscribe to the channel and share this video with your friends. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next adventure.